Hi guys, good morning. You know what day it is? Sunday. And what does Sunday mean? So right time. Yeah. So today is Sunday the 14th and I'm gonna be riding with the team called Goldtown Bikers. We'll be going to Kolar, have breakfast and come back. So the theme for Sunday ride is basically a breakfast ride. Get together, all the bikers meet, and the thing about Goldtown Bikers is that it's a superbike club of Bangalore, and many of the people own Hayabusas and ZX10Rs and 14Rs and whatnot. It's gonna be a epic ride. Not just that, today also is rather a very special day. I'm gonna be receiving some small gift which you guys will know later in the video, and let's enjoy the ride. Receiving GTB merchandise from our great Vijayana. Thank you so much. Hi again. First of all, happy 70th Indian Independence Day. Today, 70 years back, we got freedom from those British people. So I hope everybody is feeling very patriotic today. And I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, you know the drill. Leave the thumbs up and comment which part of the video did you like the most. And if you did not like the video, make sure you comment on how I can improve. Any kinds of suggestion is welcome. So make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. That's all for today. See you in the next one. Ta-da.